Ram Podcast, where we talk about everything real estate and mortgage, and we ask you, the viewers, what's going on with real estate and mortgage, and try to answer those questions. Are you a homeowner by chance?
Oh, yeah.
You are?
Are you a homeowner?
Yeah.
Nice.
Do you have a second to answer some questions for a podcast? No! Oh. How about you guys? Do you answer questions for a podcast? You sure? Last question. When you said you shopped around for a mortgage and you went to different places, did you notice any differences between banks and maybe mortgage lenders, things like that?
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of people, personal lenders out there we work with do a little more flexible than banks usually. But banks are a little more secure. Somebody who's just willing to lend you money, oftentimes are not. You never know where they're going to be in 10 years.
Okay.
Where a bank is a little more solidified. They're going to be there for a while. So I would say if you're gonna go with somebody, just make sure you're always looking ahead, at least 5 years in advance, where you're gonna be in 5 years, where that contract is gonna be in 5 years. There's different options out there with refinancing and things like that too. So it's always, if you're on track with where you are financially, and you're talking to the right people, should be okay for the most part.
Okay, great. Thanks, you
Make
guys.
sure that you're getting into a home that's not going to devalue, but is going to value. So be really careful of your interest rates
Okay.
and the time that you purchase, so that like a used or a car, you're not getting into it with this huge interest rate. And because refinancing is okay, but you're going to end up putting more money in than you would have just getting a decent rate at the beginning.
So rates are a little bit higher right now.
Mm-hmm.
Would you still advise to get into a home though, even if you can't? If let's say you
I'd
can't get into a
wait.
home, you would wait.
I'd wait a little bit.
And why is
yeah.
that?
Just to see if the interest rates go down.
And what if they don't go down?
Well, as long as Biden's in office,
We don't know, right?
I'd wait till he gets out and see if the
Interest rate is
down.
always going to go flexibly up or down.
Yeah.
So you shouldn't base your decision just on interest rate alone. You should definitely consider the value of the home, what you're willing to put up front, and make it worthwhile. Because a home should be an investment,
Yep.
not something to weigh you down. It should be something that you should be getting money back from.
Great answer.
So,
Good
Okay.
answer, John.
Cool. Thanks, you guys.
Thanks.
Appreciate.
So, Kara, I have a question for you, and this question has come up in multiple conversations with people. What's the difference between working with a bank and a customer service representative or someone there at the bank that does mortgages, or a independent mortgage banker who doesn't necessarily sit in a bank itself where you cash your check and everything?
Oh, the biggest difference is
I want to answer this. The biggest difference is they answer their phone, not from 8 to 5 o'clock. You can actually get a hold of them at night, on the weekends.
I was gonna say this. I'm like a Waffle House. Always open. Always open.
And that's true. That's true. She answers her phone
The
an awful
number
lot.
one biggest difference. The number two thing is we specialize in home loans. We do this all day, every single day.
You don't open checking accounts?
I don't open checking
do credit
accounts,
cards or something?
Credit cards, auto loans.
You just do mortgages.
Only do mortgages.
Thank you for watching and subscribing to our RAM podcast, where we talk about real estate and mortgage. If you want to watch more, please check out the videos below or check out our other social media websites. If you have any questions, please, we'd love to hear more. Drop us a comment.